Hi, I'm Jeff. This is Tropical Plants at 53 degrees north, and this is another of my entries. This is Oncidium Twinkle Cinnamon. I had it for a couple of years. Very, very strong perfume. Flowers look like birds, very easy and compact. It blooms for a couple of months from usually about autumn time. Comes in a variety of colours, not that fussy in regards to light, just not deep shade, not bright sunlight. Temperatures lows of 12, highs of 25 degrees Celsius. Humidity about 40 to 60%. Media, bark and perhaps a bit of sphagnum in there. Just be careful that it doesn't get too wet. And fertilising, again, don't overfeed, usual theme with orchids. Recommendation is every third watering, whatever it says on the packet, and I tend to give it a little bit of a rest over winter where I don't water it that much, just as the temperatures drop as usual. So that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button, ding the notification bell, and you won't miss any updates.